Hi everyone, so I'm back with a quick video. Excuse my voice, my throat is going. I think it's just stress from Christmas. But anyway, I have got this new kit. It's just 8 pages on each, 8 tags on each page. There's 5 pages of tags, various themes, okay? So we have this, which is book related. You can print them out a little bit bigger than this. This is faith themed, positive. Oh no, this is butterflies. Butterfly themed, kindness. And again, this is another one to do with faith. Okay, so this is a bundle, so 5 pages, 40 tags in total, and I will have a link below where if you use that link, it will give you 25% off any digital, obviously paid digital, because the freebies are free. I'll give you 25% off. I'll have that offer running right through until the end of December 2024, and if you don't use there is a code you can put in as well, but the link automatically gives you the 25% off. But if you go over and you don't use the link, just put in 25 off, OFF in capital letters, and that will also give you the 25% off all the digitals. So yeah, I only printed these out on copy paper, so they would obviously print better. And this is like a textured paper in the background. You can barely see, you can't really see it on this paper. Excuse me. So yeah, if you want to go and check out my digitals, go check them out. They're on my Kofi shop. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye for now.